Namaskar, dear students. Welcome to our channel by Gulab Sir. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is Cephalochordata. As we learn about Urochordata, let us learn about Cephalochordata. Both of these belong to Protochordate. This is the last group where we are supposed to learn that they are having open circulatory system. Let us understand about general characteristic of Cephalochordata. Very important. Cephalo means head. Chordata means having notochord. Now let's see, here in this diagram is very clear that notochord is present right from, or it is extended from head to tail. See here, this notochord which level, it is from head to tail. Since it is present from head to tail, therefore they are called as cephalochordate. This is very important to understand about this phylum, that is different than that of Urochordate. Urochordate has notochord in lumbar region and cephalochordate has notochord from head to tail, and therefore they are differentiated. Presence of notochord in Protochordate is only in embryo stage. It is not continue in adult. That is also very important, and therefore they are separated from rest of the chordate into Protochordate. Another point which is supposed to be considered for cephalochordate, naturally they are marine, aquatic. They are so called, that is what I explained you, that their notochord is extended from head to tail. Head is also known as cephalo, therefore they are called cephalochordate. Excretion by pharyngeal, excretion by protonephridia. That protonephridia are also known as solenocytes, and respiration by pharyngeal gills, they are present in adult also. Otherwise, in higher organisms like reptiles, birds and mammals, they have these gills in embryo stage, and therefore it is very important to mention here that pharyngeal gills are present in adult stage, as gills are present in fishes up to adult and they respire by gills. But in amphibians, they are present in only larvae stage, that is called tadpole stage, but they are not present in adult. Means in amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals, in their adult stage they don't have pharyngeal gills, and therefore it was very necessary to mention here they have pharyngeal gills for respiration and present up to adult stage. So this is differentiating point. Next point is that they developed directly into their young one. It's a very short phylum. It is belong to Protochordate, short phylum. Only 2 points you have to remember as a point of distinguishing points. That is that they have notochord from head to tail. They have this pharyngeal gill in adult state and they excrete through protonephridia, also known as solenocyte. The solenocyte word is very important, can be asked in NEET, because this type of word are repeated. As we know choanocyte, I know chondriocyte. You know these words, chondriocyte, choanocyte, even nidoblast and solenocyte. That may confuse in NEET. Question can be asked that cephalochordate excrete through choanocyte, solenocyte, lymphocyte, chondriocyte, that may be confused, and therefore you have to remember that they excrete through special cells called solenocyte or protonephridia, because later this protonephridia evolve into nephron, and that is in connection. I hope you did understand what cephalochordata means with this diagram, that notochord is extended from head to tail, and that two more general characteristics which are very important, and the question can be asked, write any two distinguishing features between cephalochordata and Urochordata. For that you please remember this. I hope you got it. You enjoyed today's video also, and keep on seeing our video and liking and sharing. Also, if you are new, subscribe it, and I appeal you to like and share our channel. If you are new, then subscribe it. Happy learning.